Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we'll be making this pink festival hair that I made for my recent trip to Miami. These braids literally only cost like $4 to make and are super cute with any outfit. So if you guys are ready, let's get started. I'm going to Ultra in a few weeks and I'm so excited and I really wanted to have that fun, festival hair. So let's try this out and hope for the best. This hair I got from Shein and it was on sale, so it came out to be like $2 I think, so it was very economic. These rings right here are also from Shein. They're the little rings that go in the hair, so I got silver and then just a dark color. You will also need some big hair ties and some little hair ties to just tie the hair together. And I want to make two ponytails with this just so I can have the option of having like two pigtails or, just a single ponytail and I could stack them together. So first I'm just going to open up this hair and then split it in half, I guess. So I'm going to put one off to the side and I'm just going to work with one bundle for now. And so from here, I'm going to divide this into fours, I think. So I want to make, you know how it's like poofy and then it's small and then poofy and small. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, I have the picture that I'm looking at right now. So I'm going to try to make two of those and then one with the like fishtail braids. I think those are really cool. So let's hope for the best. From here, I'm going to divide this in half again. And this last piece, again, half again. So basically I divided it into fours, right? Okay, so here I have 1/4 of the hair. And this is where I'm just going to start off by kind of tying it onto here. So then I'm just going to put it in through here and then just loop it around. And pull it out. And just tighten. So you can add the rest of the bundles, but I think it'll be easier to just do one by one as I go. So I want to start with something simple, so I'm just going to braid my first bundle here. So I'm just going to make sure it's very tight and just a normal braid with 3 strands. And here I just tied off the end and now I have my first braid. So I put an elastic up here just to like really secure this knot up here. And now I'm gonna like skip about 2 inches and then just tie it right here. And I tried teasing it, but that just created a lot of frizz. So what I found out to be easier was to just open this up and kind of find like a strand in the inside. And once you find like a little strand in the inside, you just grab that and you pull up. And see how it just starts to make that poof on its own? If you get like little gaps like this, you can always just go in with your finger and pull it out yourself. And then just keep going depending on how fluffy you want these. And so after my first poof, I'm just going to do a fishtail braid. And so once I have about like maybe, I don't know what this is, 2-3 inches, I'm just going to tie it off again. And I just pulled on it a little bit to like kind of poof it out a bit, but it looks something like this with my poof. And so I'm just going to be repeating the same steps: poof, fishtail, poof. Here I have my hair done and I got 4 poofs per strand. And if you wanted bigger poofs, you would just have to use more hair. I don't know why I only bought one bundle when it was so cheap. I definitely could have used more hair, but it's okay. It still came out very cute. And I do have 2 of these, so I have the option to wear like pigtails or just wear one as a ponytail, or you know, they could even be stacked and have a lot more. The last part, and this is optional, are the little rings here. I did get black and silver, and I originally wanted to do the silver color, but since I use black hair ties, I think maybe the black rings will look better. I'll just save these for when I have some clear elastics or maybe something that matches the hair, so I'm just going to be using these now. And the pack comes with a bunch of different sizes, so these are kind of just long, short. These are really thick. And these are like cute, I don't know, they kind of look like earrings to me. And then just some rings. I thought I messed up because I wasn't sure how I was gonna like put these in, but then I realized that they open. You might need some pliers for this, but like it does open. So once you have it open, all you have to do is just kind of like put it where you want it to go and then just squeeze tight. Just like this. And so just go through adding whatever rings you want. You can also do a mix and match of different colors, up to you. And then we'd be done. And here we go, we have the finished product. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And please also head over to my Instagram and my TikTok for a lot more pictures and videos of my work. And thank you so much for watching.